Hello everyone, it's Free Name on YouTube. Today it is unboxing of a MetaQuest 3S. So this is launch day, I think, or at least it was delivered today. Couldn't really have been delivered any earlier. And it's only going to be the box because I don't own this. It's somebody else's, so I can't turn it on and set it up and log it in. That's the box. Very exciting. Nice Apple style quick undo tabs on the sides. And hopefully just slides out of its outer case. Boring box. A tab to open one of the sides. I know. Wow. Okay. Opens up like a fancy present. Well, it didn't do it that time, but yeah. Right. Inside, we've got down here. If I change the camera angle, some manuals and something within a little pouch. Yeah, just manuals. So start here stuff, I'll show that in just a moment. We have the headset itself with its little spider eyes. Wow, camera on the side. Volume buttons presumably, and a power button. Another camera on the other side. Oh no, that must be a select button. And then the power button's on the left side. USB-C charging and data port on the left side as well. Covers for the lenses, also printed on there saying don't get sunlight on the lenses. And information on how to use the glasses spacer. Then I believe the glasses spacer itself. Charging lead, or USB-C lead. And a UK power supply. Which is, there's a USB-C socket on it. 5 volts, 3 amps. 2 or, well, maybe all the way up to, or 9 volts at 2 amps. US model number MA0121. And I can't see any other model numbers. The controllers. So left-hand controller, presumably a tab where you undo that, it will undo or connect the battery. And the other controller. And that's basically it. You now know what's in the box. I'll show you these bits of paper, which probably, especially this one, safety and warranty guide, will be 1 page of English and then a million pages of every other language in the world. If you want to read it, then pause the video, because I'm just going to show them on the screen and then move on. And then I suspect if I turn this page, it'll be, I don't know, I've got slightly more details as well. Specs for the power adapter and RF information. And then indeed we then go on to French or Spanish or other languages. So that's safety information and the Start Here guide. QR code for something, presumably an app, or maybe it takes you to that website address. How to adjust the head strap. Details about the headset and what the buttons do, and presumably indicator lights if there are any. So number 7 is, yes, the action button. So you've got volume and an action button. Controller details. Getting started. How to adjust the lenses. How to use the glasses spacer. How to remove the battery cover for the handheld controllers, and then how to clean it. So now I know how to take the battery cover off. Let's just see. Yeah, so they just put a little pull tab in the controllers, so you don't have to take the side off to engage or make them work. You just pull the pull tab and then the batteries connect into the controllers. There we go. Hopefully that video has been interesting to you. If it has, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the video notifications switched on, but the subscriber numbers really do help. Thanks very much.